It's time to wake the angry man up. You gotta wake him up. Alright, man, we finally hit 500, man. But anyways, about to go check on my boys Pontiac GXP Grand Prix. Yeah, man, you just put these little headlights on, so we about to check that out. And I'll be yes, sir. My friend caught this GXP. Ooh, hold on, man. Hold on, I gotta get there. You turn this off on me, man? Yeah, I know it's cold. Oh! I know it's cold.
There goes your leg, just like that.
Oh, they still in my junk.
They say you ain't dealing with that camera.
Let's turn on the this is the bass. We call this the bass machine right here. Your junk cold? You better stop it. You better stop it now. You know not to rev your junk cold.
Oh, you got a little for a quick second.
You just shot straight gas and oil out the back.
Straight off the back.
Hold on, man, hit them turn signals. You said they do what it do? Hold on. Do whatever you want to do, man. This your light show, man.
Hazards, show.
Clean. This the hazards?
Yeah.
Hold on, man. I wish it was nighttime.
Right?
You gotta send me a video of it at nighttime.
I got you. You want some colors to it?
No, you just shot like all blue smoke out the back of your car. I had to move. I'm like, hold on now. That's why I was saying, hold on now. But yeah, it's still clean though, Benito.
Yeah, you saw me.
You do need to wrap this.
Like, if I get a wrap, then I'm gonna want some stupid ass wrap, like a purple ass gloss chrome thing. You know what I'm saying?
So we still doing the black. Oh, hold on, you on rainbow mode?
Yeah.
If y'all like colors, you know what I'm saying. Yeah, but when you rap, you gonna do the black and gold?
Well, I was gonna try to keep the black paint, get redone, touched up with the gold. That's what I wanted. But now, boy, we're talking about some. Oh, you need to get a wrap because they're just gonna take your $3,000 and that you're gonna have some faded spots, or you know what I'm saying? They're not gonna stress because it's not a show car like that.
Right.
Because they even say you can't wet sand it until like 2 months after the fact, and I can't add for the coating.
Oh man, go ahead and get on the tour of your car and go on the inside with that thing, man.
Go ahead, inside. I just casually thought you would go for it and shit. Fuck you and your camera, boss.
Why you acting all shy on the phone? It's gonna be cold.
Yes, it's gonna be nice.
Yeah, man.
Something like that, you know what I'm saying?
He said the Grand Prix is about to go crazy, so you know, Pontiac gang, you know what I'm saying? Stay tuned.
Come up.
You feel me?
Come up. Yup.
Alright, man, you gonna get used to this camera.
No, I'm not, man.
It's coming back.
Cameras.
There go my baby, you feel me? Yeah. Bro, it's cold outside, bro.
It's cold.
It's cold out here in Michigan. Oh, I gotta get one more exhaust clip for the exhaust addicts.
For the
exhaust addicts, man. bro. I woke my car up this morning. That junk was stupid, bro. Come on, man. Give it to him, man. Bro, this is... Hey, this is nasty, bro. Oh, no. We're the one that's about to check me. He about to check me. He about to check me. Here he comes. Here he go. No, this ain't the one.
No, Chino, I swear to God, Chino, I kicked your fucking ass.
It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. Oh, he taking a dump. Oh, he gone. He gone. Oh, he also. Hey, bro, she just opened the door, bro. Dog. Bro, your dog is crazy, man. How did she just open the door? This little Australian Shepherd crazy. Man. Alright, man, so I'm leaving my boy house. I was getting y'all a quick look at his GXP. He said got big plans coming soon, so stay tuned for that.